How you doing, folks? This is Livai. I'm going to go ahead and walk you through how to get started with our services with Improve My Score. So basically what you're going to do is you're going to pull up the website, approvemyscore.com, and on the right-hand side, you're going to see these three buttons right here. So as you can see, there's a contact button, a pricing button, and a member login. What you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and click on the pricing button. Once you click the pricing button, it's going to go ahead and take you to the personal credit pricing page. And on this page, you'll be able to either order credit monitoring here. You'll click that and you'll be able to order credit monitoring. Or if you're going to do one of the other services, you'll go ahead and either for the credit analysis, you'll start here. For the monthly program, you'll go ahead and start here. Now, we are running a special right now, so if you click on the Buy It Now special, what you're going to do, you'll be brought to our form. And this form right here is what you'll fill out. As you can see right here, it says, I want to know more. This button right here is clicked. So if you only want to know more, what we suggest you do is complete your first last name, which is mandatory, as well as your email address. And we recommend giving a phone number so that way we can call you and go ahead and answer any questions that you might have, and we can go ahead and get this set up for you to let you know if you're a good fit for our program. Otherwise, if you're ready to get started, what you can do is you can just click on the I'm ready to sign up. And this is where this information right here is very important to complete all the information. Otherwise, we are going to have to contact you so we can get the information. And a lot of times, with life getting in the way and people's lives being so busy, it's hard to make that connection, and we're not able to start as soon as possible. So, as you can see, we have the asterisk for the first and last name as well as your email address. We do suggest that you complete all the information, so your phone numbers, your address, social security number, and date of birth. Very, very, very important. Then what you'll need to do is you're going to have to click on the plan and choose what you're signing up for. So if you're doing the credit analysis, it's a one-time payment of $159. If you want to do the monthly payment, it's $124 as it's $124 a month, plus there's a $50 setup fee. So the initial payment is going to be $174, and then it's $124 a month. Or our special right now is $99 down and then $50 a month until you cancel. So whatever the case might be, pick your plan. I am going to go ahead and add in a plan if you want to sign up your spouse as well. But what you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and just pick your plan, whatever the plan is. You'll put your card number in, credit card number, expiration, the three-digit code on the back. And if you're not receiving your bills at the address you put up here, make sure to click on this button to add that billing information. Okay, and then you'll just submit your information. Once we receive the information, if you're ready to sign up, once we receive the payment and everything has gone through, what we'll do is we'll go ahead and get you set up. We'll open up your client portal so that way you'll have access to the portal 24/7. And you'll receive an email with that information on how to get started with the portal. Now, when you sign up, what's going to happen next after we open your portal, you'll go ahead and log in, you'll sign the contract. After signing the contract, what you're going to do is watch a 2-minute video that's going to go ahead and explain to you how to upload your documents for identity purposes, such as your proof of address, so a utility bill in your name, current, with your current address, as well as a driver's license, social security card, passport, whatever the case might be, to verify your identity. And this is for twofold. When we send dispute letters to the credit bureaus, we do have to verify the information that we're sending the disputes on. And if you need more documentation on that, just go ahead and review dispute letters with the credit bureaus and what's needed, and you'll go ahead and see that they do want a copy of an ID as well as proof of address. Okay. Um, you'll also be walked through how to sign up for the credit monitoring. Again, credit monitoring is $21.99 per month until canceled. It is mandatory that you have services, the credit monitoring services, while enrolled in the program. So that's a simple and easy way to get started with Approve My Score. Very, very simple process. It's very streamlined. If you guys have any questions, feel free to give us a call at 800-972-3970. That number again is 800-972-3970, or send an email to info@approvemyscore.com. I want to thank you guys for taking the time to watch this video. If you have any questions, feel free, like I said, to send out some information to contact us, and we'll go ahead and answer any questions you guys might have. Thank you guys for watching. You guys have a great day, and we look forward to working with you.